Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 4. We worked over the weekend, so we got the doors in and I painted the window. I'll just give you a run through. I was going to show you how you do this. Basically what we first done was we cleaned all the window down in wax and grease remover, and then I masked off the glass, masked off all round here, and then went in with grey Scotch-Brite, scotched back all the frame, and then we put 2 coats of MIPA plastic primer on, drop the plastic primer on, let that go off, and then use the full can of Halfords gloss black spray paint. So that's how the frames come out. So that just matches in now with the door, and that's had plenty of time over the weekend. A few little bits have landed in it, but we were just aiming to get this black. So that's all finished. So in today's video we're going to do the roof. We've got some timber to put along the back, get the roof on, and then we're going to glaze this door and set all the lock up on this door, because the roof, as soon as the roof goes on, it's going to make this framework a lot more rigid, because there's just still a little bit, if you really push you can get a little bit of movement in them doors, so when the roof's on it will tighten everything up. So yeah, I'll stick you on the time lapse in a bit. There you go guys, there's the first part of the protective underlay for the roofing. Just pan that up. That's all overlapped and then stapled in. Another day complete guys. So I've got the roof on. We've put a waterproof membrane first sheet over the top there, all overlapped all the way up. The doors are in, windows in. Tomorrow we're going to be doing all the felting and all the bitumen joins and all the sealing around and putting the trims on the roof. So that'll be the next stage, and then we're going to start cladding, get the cladding done this week, and then we can move into the inside. Once all the outside's completely watertight and done, we'll move on to the inside. We've got some deliveries coming. It's going to be full Celotex in here, ceiling, walls, the lot. So yeah, that's where we are today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's hot tub time again. So yeah, gonna get in there, chill out, drink, and just chill for the day. So yeah, I'll see you in part 4. Jurgen's somewhere, he's buggered off again somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the hot tub, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.